So people often ask me, Lou, how do you grow a beard? How do you get it more full? How do you get it grow faster? How do you get it? So many questions, and I can answer them all. So I'm going to provide for you guys a few different techniques that I've used in the past and I still use to this day to actually grow my beard fast and effective and efficiently. So I got a few tips for you guys and I want you guys to check it out and apply it into your life. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arkway, a new direction of a modern man. And today I'm giving you guys a few beard tips that will actually work and be effective for you guys who want to grow a beard and a thicker, fuller, luxurious beard. Here's some tips for you guys. First thing first, sleep. I take my sleep seriously. You gotta take your sleep seriously as well, so not only you replenish your whole body, you feel more alive and you also feel well. So personally for me, I get up at 4 in the morning because I gotta go to work, but at the same time, at that point in time, I'm sleeping around 8:30 at best. If I can get a little earlier than 8:30 p.m., then I will, but I sleep around that time, and then around 4 o'clock is when I typically wake up, do a little meditation, whatever your routine is, but that's just mine. But I start implementing my start date at 4 in the morning. Basically what I'm saying is have a routine, have a set schedule of when you are gonna sleep. But sleep is so important. That's what I'm saying to you guys. And you gotta take it seriously because it's not just, I wanna do it for a 3 months period just to grow your beard out. It has to be a lifestyle choice. You want this to be a lifestyle choice. You wanna grow into a better person. You wanna grow with more energy. You wanna grow this in life and like your relationships, your lifestyle, your business, or whatever the case is. You wanna have that sleep because that is the factor to a lot of things that people don't make the best decisions on, because sometimes you realize sometimes you need sleep and you can actually make better decisions. Second tip for you guys that I implement in my routine is beard oil. You want to have beard oil. Beard oil is key. I believe that if you have beard oil or if you have any type of moisturization that actually goes into your beard over time, it just makes it just makes the process a lot faster. For example, if I'm working for the 8 hours in that certain period of the day, I'm out and about, I'm moving around, your beard dries up, especially in the winter time, especially for me in the winter time, like many others. Your beard will dry up, your hair gets dry, you need to keep it moisturized. It'll start to break, the ends will start to be brittle. But with the beard oil, it'll actually solve a lot more problems than you expect. If you guys request it, I'll be reviewing it for you guys, but beard oil would be key. And I'll show you guys how I apply it and what type of beard oil I use. And just basically have beard oil to keep it moisturized. That's the whole point of it. You want to keep it moisturized for that 8-hour period, not too oily, but to the point of that it actually has a little bit of a good scent. This is going to keep your face moisturized and more fuller. The third tip for you guys is hydration. You gotta drink water. Water is really, really good for you. I believe that water is honestly one of the essential keys for my personal life, because I notice the effects it has on my skin, I notice the effects it has on my health, and I notice the effects it has on my diets as well. So have water. I personally drink 3 liters a day, so that's my dedication to myself. I plan out 3 liters a day. I have like a bottle, it's like about a liter. But also during that day, I'll break it down and focusing on, okay, I'm gonna drink this right now within this hour, drink the water, the next hour comes, drink the water again. So I've been on this routine for so long that I probably drink more than 3 liters a day, not only on the days I work out, but just on the days of recovery. So drink your water, drink your water, drink your water. And also you might want to actually infuse the water, which is actually makes the water more enjoyable if people do find water boring. I don't put electrolytes into it, I don't put any of those fusers, but I do put cucumbers, I put strawberries, you can just put fruits and all. So you'll put fruits into your water as well. It also makes the water more enjoyable. It also makes it more refreshing, and you'll see a major difference. Also put some peppermint leaves. That's gonna be interesting. Let me know how that goes. All in all, within those 3 tips of the 8 hours of sleep, with the beard oil and the water, you make sure you implement those 3 things, and on the process of growing your full beard out, getting it more thicker, more defined to your shape face, this going a faster process, you'll see a lot more results faster than you have done it before. So the one question I have for you guys is, what is some beard techniques you guys use and how long have you been using it for? Make sure you leave that in the comment section down below and let people know. Yet again, guys, thank you guys so much for checking this video out. Love and support on this channel is tremendous. It is huge. The community is growing. And if you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. And if you are a returning member, leave a comment in the section down below. And also help someone else who are actually going through a similar process. And also share it with someone who wants to grow their beard. Yet again, guys, thank you for watching Arkway, a new direction of a modern man. My name is Mr. Lou, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.